quality of the samples has to do with building quality into the product by setting the processes right, by doing a detailed R&D at the sampling stage. So this is what will really help, because, and at the same time we also have to look at the communication gap between the end customer, the buyer, the merchandiser, and the sample room. Now often there are a lot of miscommunications where things do not get communicated in the same way as the customer desires, and which also causes a lot of quality loopholes in the sampling department. So the process needs to be written, the process needs to be standardized, the process needs to be communicated right to the tailor who is doing the sample, to the cutter who is cutting the sample, so that we can build quality at every single step. We can also communicate what is desired by the customer at the end of the day, and so that there's no miscommunication between each division, between each layer as we go through the product or value chain. That is how we improve the quality or build the quality in the samples.